Welcome back to my channel. Today's episode is about Hurricane Beryl, the before and after. So guess what? Come to make a small check with my cousin or by mistake, and I heard that Dolphin Cove dolphins are here. So catch a small prep and do a drone video. I might just turn this into a whole video for YouTube, like a before and after the storm. Why not? Ooh, dolphins are here. Them there for true. Oh, dolphins are here for real. Thinking about a trick, man. Who in charge of it? Nice. Basically dechlorine or whatever the water, get water prepared for the dolphin. Yeah, so I have to get out of here now. Enjoy these drone shots of the dolphin and some off Ochi before the storm. Alright, now I have some other work we need to do. So touch back your road. Got time I get shot. So guys, believe it or not, this is actually Poco Loco Bar in the top right hand corner right here. It is actually Poco Loco Bar where it was situated before the storm, and this is actually in the James Avenue area to the right of Moon Palace. And right here in the top left hand corner is where it actually ended up going. Stay tuned, there's footage of that also. So that was some drone shots of Ochi. Not much, I don't think I didn't do much. But they said this thing they were category 5, so yeah. We're gonna do a before and after video. Why not? So, Hurricane Beryl has arrived. Been waiting. As usual, taximan there run them roads. You know, people have reached the yard. Morning. So, this is the aftermath. Well, I have to say, what your rest is blessed. Have to really say. Ochi side. Based on what I see on the internet, Ochi not really get no damage. Well, my favorite restaurant is okay. Jangali Seafood Giant. Well, you only can come eat the food them, come on. Jungle in a rampant business hours. I have to go shortly. Chacha walk on over here, so. No, sir. A good thing you can't move. Double carry get damaged. Good still. Oh. The people them have them party. And put up them party sign. Yeah, party sign in diagram. And I can reinstall them. It's alright, that's a road bus in a tow for share. river has nothing but sand. Whoa. River dirty. So this is Prospect area. This is where, whoa, I suspected this was Prospect. I really did suspected this for Prospect, like. Major road cleanup needed. Major. Wow. So you can see what's going on here. Now just to see some damages, see what's happening, I drove all the way from Ochius to Port Maria. Upon entering Port Maria, I was like, I have to check this church out because it was built so long ago, yet no damage was damage in our Ochius is actually nothing. The first and the only damage on one side there, bro. So we're glad to storm come to stay in here. Yeah. Come back our people in work. People in work coming tomorrow. So it was really amazing to see that Ochoa's Bay Beach was actually a-okay, nothing washed up on the shoreline. Ochoa's town itself didn't have a bunch of cleanup work to do. It wasn't that bad. It was actually minimal. And I did swing by Soul Harbor. It's a new development in Ochoa's, and it was fine. There was nothing falling from the building, no debris, no nothing. It was intact. Okay, so I am not a dolphin expert. I do not know why the water is so dark. But as you can see, there's a lot more dolphins than we originally saw the day before the storm. And also they had to add a couple stuff to the water to make it okay for the dolphins to stay in the pool. Okay, so say goodbye to the dolphins. We're heading over to Little Duns River to see what happened to Poco Loco. I really have to say this is very sad. This is such a huge investment for the Ochoa's area. I myself was looking forward to getting onto Poco Loco Bar. So here you got a few stuff on the side. It's just a couple meters away from where it actually stopped. Thanks for watching. If you have not yet subscribed to my channel, go ahead and subscribe, hit the notification bell, like, share, comment. See you next time.